In a world where the global pandemic has taken its toll, and mental health has become a growing concern, we believe it's time to heal, rejuvenate, and reconnect with nature. Introducing Hygge, an idyllic wellness retreat designed with the needs of 50 to 70-year-olds in mind. Imagine a place where you can escape the chaos of everyday life, surrounded by nature's embrace. Hygge-inspired activities await, inviting you to embrace moments of togetherness and warmth. Cozy up with loved ones by our mesmerizing fire pits, sharing stories and savoring the simple pleasures of life. It's time to embark on a transformative journey. Rejuvenate your mind, body, and spirit in the heart of Norway's wellness paradise. It is time to focus on your mental health and discover the serenity that awaits you at Hygge. Your path to healing and renewal starts here. Discover the transformative power of Norway. Book your escape to Hygge today and embark on a journey of well-being, tranquility, and self-discovery.